No, look how it is dirty, no? You've seen, no? Okay. This also you see how dirty. Okay. No, look how it is dirty, no? You've seen, no?
In this video, I am going to show you how to clean a dirty faucet aerator like brand new. A faucet aerator is a small screen at the end of your water tap that can reduce water flow when clogged with grit or mineral buildup. A faucet aerator is a screw-on screen fitting at the end of a water tap designed to break up the solid stream and add air. This can reduce water usage by up to 30% and block the dirt inside by giving us clean water. No matter how costly the water tap is, the faucet aerator will get dirty within a few months of usage and needs regular cleaning. At first, remove the faucet aerator from the water tap. Once the aerator is removed, separate the parts and note their arrangement. An aerator may have many small parts that must go back together in the same way to function correctly. Soak the dirty faucet aerator in white vinegar for the whole night to remove all the dirt from the faucet aerator. The vinegar will soften the dirt in the faucet aerator and can be easily removed after it is soaked for the whole night. In the morning hours, I am taking a toothbrush to rub off the dirt from the faucet aerator. Within a few seconds of rubbing with a toothbrush, you can see the faucet aerator looks brand new with no dirt in it.
Stop her.
Now fit the faucet aerator into the water tap. Hand tightening is usually sufficient,